Hello friends, this is Megha and welcome back to Crazy for Health. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a very interesting Indo-Chinese style chili garlic noodles using your very own homemade wheat chapatis. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me. Also, if you have any comments, please do leave your comments in the section given below. Now let's get started. So first, let's make the noodles. For that, I have taken wheat chapatis. You can take any chapati that is available. Roll them and then cut out thin slices out of it. Be very careful as not to break the chapatis. Our noodles are ready. Keep them aside. Now in a pan, heat some oil. I'm using refined oil. You can use olive oil or any non-flavored, non-smelly oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add garlic chopped. I've used around 5 to 6 large cloves of garlic. Next, I'll add some red chili chopped. If you do not have red chilies, you can just go ahead and add green chilies. We'll brown the garlic and the chilies so that the flavor is nicely burnt. Next, I'm adding the bulb of spring onions. I've kept the spring onion greens aside. We'll add them later. The combination of garlic, red chili and spring onion bulbs are just heavenly. Next, I'm adding some vegetables that I've sliced thinly. So I have bell peppers, carrots, cabbage. You can add mushroom, broccoli, or whatever veggies that you like. Stir the vegetables nicely. Keep the flame to high heat. Next, add salt and some black pepper powder. And mix the vegetables again. We want the vegetables to be slightly tender. We are not going to overcook them or just keep them very hard. We'll just keep it tender. Now add tomato ketchup, soya sauce and some vinegar. Here I've used white vinegar. Mix the sauce well with the vegetables. And now, finally, we'll be adding the noodles that we had prepared and the spring onion greens. Guys, if you don't want to use chapati as noodles, you can just go ahead and use the regular noodles that you get in the market. Just boil and add them in this vegetable mixture, and the noodles will taste amazing. I have stir fried the vegetables and the chapati noodles well, and after 2 minutes to 3 minutes, the flavors are well combined and our delicious Indo-Chinese recipe is ready. This is a great way of using chapatis, leftover chapatis that you have in your house. You can also make the same recipe using leftover rice. You can serve them just like this, or you can make some gravy along with it. Garnish with some more spring onions and serve the chili garlic noodles hot.